Pathetic.
So,
I'm in pain.
good afternoon, my fellow Nigerian brother and sisters, particular Edo State people, you know, particular Edo State people I'm talking about. So, there is something that just here. Everybody, you know, can we say something better that we all will understand? Everybody is complain. I want everyone that complain to go to heaven and still complain. We are complain too much in this earth, but let someone go to heaven and come back and complain. Yes, this is what I want to say. Any person that rests in peace in Governor Obaseki picture, he shall be always rest in peace in Jesus' mighty name. Do you know what, my dear brother and sister? Enough is enough for the wise. We are living here with you people in Europe. We don't want to make anything. And every one of you that are making noise here doesn't even know anything about the law of Europe or anything about police station. So there is a time coming, everything you people are be doing in social media, in YouTube, we are everyone we are in the record. We are going to bring it out in Germany, in Holland, in Italy, in France, in Spain. I know the Spain is little and France is little. Mostly Italy and Germany. Let me make you understand. And that Highland, England. Let me make you understand. What you people are doing, you are all stupid. You are all stupid. You are all stupid if you people don't know. Can I ask 1-2 questions? There is something I look at my life, I think something, I'm working. I'm spending up to 17 years in Europe. You see the way I dress now? But it cannot differentiate me from one another. You understand? In real sense, to make a real sense, before I enter Europe, they are my mates that face school. After the school, finish their school, they face a politics school again. That is people who really want to understand things that will go to happen, that there will be among of the men that's going to, whether cheat or good in the land, in that country, Nigeria, or Edo State. Really, I left them. I left there. I lived there, I left. Today I'm here, so thank God. Tomorrow I will not see those people there after the suffering or whatever anything. Then I will not be jealous. Why are you people jealous? Then you people just come to Obaseki level now. Obaseki enter is not up to 2 years. Obaseki. I cannot ask you 1-2 questions. Because sometimes me, myself, I like to say something about the governor, the minister, the this. But sometimes I look at back. When Babangida, Buhari, Gbogboe, Obaseki, this and this, when before they be a governor, or the one that even senior you, the one age of your father, where was your father? Where was my father? The same mistake, the same thing your father did is the one you are doing. Charity begin at home. What your mother did is what you are doing. Charity begin at home. If your mother realizes mistake, you yourself, you could be educated and be. No, it's not only people that educate being in politics. Your mother could have put you, even whether suffer or suffer, to be at one of the politics training in Edo State, in that Nigeria. I have a friend, their family has no money. But today, his name is Monday. He's a very big guy in politics. It's not all people in politics that eat the money. The people that eat the money in politics is the people who can that is people who can able to say something, a reasonable things, or who can able to make a word when is that he approach a public, 1,000 people will feed up. Those are the people make money in politics. You understand me? It's not people that bring themselves out. I'm a governor, I'm a minister, I'm a this, I'm an advisor. No, there are people there. Because they send those people that take the contract. If you people don't know. Now you are taking Obaseki. That is number one. Obaseki is right to do anything you want to do. He has a right to do anything you want to do. You fool and foolishness. Narrating and sabotage. You yourself, you are here in Europe. There are many of us here, when we go to that, you see how much we spend. Spend money, be eating, whatever, anything. I don't want to mention people's name. How many companies? Let's come in reality. Edo Nuzomo. How many companies do you have? Look at, in this Europe, I live in Spain. I've worked when I work in airport in a seaport. I've worked in a airport that we a company where they build a ship. I'm more of a workers who can spray who paint a ship, a beauty ship, starting from the beginning. If you don't know, to the end. But can I ask you two questions? Then I found out that it's not even a governor that hold the place. When things fall apart, I now realize that even the place I'm saying that it's not a president, it's not a governor, it's not even a president of the place, it's not a government that hold this place that I'm working. That is a private, it's just a company, a family company. This shipping building. You understand? You that live in Europe for 10 years, even 6 years. How many industry do you have in Nigeria? You are talking of light. There is a plant. Even the place I work in a seaport where they build ship, the light cannot give us what we need. There is a plant we use. The company rent a plant. They say where they rent a plant, a big plant like the one they use in filling station. You understand? Because the enough air we need enough air. I'm sorry. So what I'm trying to say is that you people should stop jealousy, or rather, because of social media is free or one thing and other, everybody need to come out. We have opportunity. Just come out and make a word. Let people see you. It's not a place. It's not a place to make a modelo. It's not a place to get a boyfriend or a girlfriend, or let them just see me. No. And if you want to do that, say a thing that people will be looking for you. The governor can be looking for you. The president can be looking for you. It's not by violence. You understand? If you have anything to do, there's how you will put it. It's like just like me now. I never come out like this to say something. I've seen when this our brother, may God bless him, a Paranomigo, the way when sometimes when he's talking, there is something I'm supposed to say. But I will just look, I will just forget, because when I look at you people, you Benin people here, that one thing you people don't know, that a Paranomigo doesn't know. No matter anything, him with people at home, they are beating battle. But a Paranomigo, in vision, may God let the vision come to him. It's going to be one of a post order in politics. But there's a command, there's error. But no person among a few people that even is leading that can even say, Epa. This life is not like that. Epa, Edio, Emigruna, or one man, but Gala Ledian. Okay, can a mistake is done, well, Ladian, Giman Ledian Ladian. So that a Kimala Ladian Epa, Maya, who mistake in, so that a me do dejo, who do a correction. So no person who must leave here, do. You understand the manner? So who wa me Epa, if you come on, if you once forget that thing. The man had lived Nigeria for long before he entered America. How many years have he spent in America? He's not spent 20 years and spending up to 18 years in Europe, and many other in younger ones. I'm his younger one. I don't come out, I don't be in the club, but I respect him. But it's not by every word he said. I know there is a mistake, and there's a part of the word he said that is very wrong. You understand even? Okay, look at where you are beating onto. A buy Paranomigo, I want to Latin Europe, I want to be a America. Oh, when I'm winner, apart from Munani. So, upon I may be that way, but stop a Munanipa, where we do what? They can all have people call construction here now. But with his age, it's a time for him to beat home. Okay, everything no sooner, but what I'm saying now, you know what I'm saying. But I know he has a great balance, because sometimes he himself, he knew when he looked at himself, he looked when he was in Nigeria in personality, people, but his people, yes, where if you go back and see these people with what is known, with what he's doing by now, or what he have already know by now, you understand? He will make something, but there is a command. And that command, there is no any of you that go with him can able to sit it down a pa. Larry, in your panima on a pa, where worry, give me audio one way. Yeah, so what? A boy na, a man, no, you waving by me, Jumetina. me hacking us your a. Through us your a. I will bring this matter down. Then now solve the matter now. I got solve the end. I have a repa. My way bariowa. There is no one or tie pani no advice a video or not give a such rude straight way. So go boy or go boy. E pangu ye bomber. When you don't set to work any or go boy or lock boy sango boy. I don't know kuna sango na be anami amoka. Where you are not carry. I'm sorry. Where me no ye karebuwa. I will ye Monday na hioka. Ye Friday na hioka. Before I'm here, where ye me as a no karebuwa. So if you people are doing things with knowledge, so understand me, make a ranomigo, make it know. It should come down. The violence is too much. I'm just telling you, Epa, calm down. The violence is too much. Look for a key people, a younger key people. You can send home and do this thing in a good way. If you are big, I'm not saying I know. Akbawe is free to go to Nigeria, those states. Then things will come together. Or maybe Nipuni Talonia with violence, not with coolness. And his name will be one of the record. To change a place, change a state. If you are not among of the society, your word is a violence word. Your word is innocence word. You are just saying something that is not reason. It doesn't make reason to them. Can I make you understand? In time of military, I will make you to know because I'm well born and brought up in slope. I'm a slope boys. Boy, man, you understand me? So, but I will make you to understand. We always brought up in the S&T barrack. In anything you are doing, when you are not army, we call you blood civilian. Even we that always stay in that place, we leave our side, we go to S&T barrack 24 hours and stay. But when we outside, we still call you bloody civilian. We know what we are saying. In any violence you are taking, we don't care. After you say what you are saying, matter close. That is for you. This army, your country, every one of us, even both you, a parent, amigo, you understand what I'm saying? You understand? No, come down. Try to near him. To change somebody, if you don't near it, you cannot change it. You can't change it. You understand the man? So those people now, no lelu working now. When ever put no lelu working, ever put no lelu working. Oh, can't ya come? Call I'm able. Oh, can't come? Botawa bonwo. Ya to kakpa ma we tobe. You understand me? No sooner that I just say no, man. I'm just telling you, Epa. You understand me? Donosage is at home. He's not going out and coming in. A Martin yourself with him. I'm just telling you, Epa. Sage got that tomorrow. Ogungu gear. And I it's not going to get. Those ones they hungry. All those ogun. It's a go look who weapon or women. One make beleni ne. One no make big be auto don. 18 we rock we akwete bon emi no ati. Wa fi gbegbe emi no afi. Have any hin Epa. But we do things with some kind psychological way. You understand? Lela uno avec equipment avec l'argent, avec timani kona, avec doa papa. E neni na doa papa Europe. Wo pa innocence e do ma we are wearing a buku selelwe Epa. Now you are just talk to. You understand? Me, I dey look some kind of thing when you do sometimes, man. You understand, Epa? You understand? Ave systema, nu we me kakare ti meneki nu we me na. Ami ani yani rewe pona. Epa la wo. The one we get 3 girls, get 4 girls, eh? They go pay 50 euros, say make they take put drink, make they donate for Epa. In no person will want to see 30,000 each one. Blood money. Like blood money. Tomorrow your sister go take and their family they inside though. If you not born, they can't adjourn their family say only not Gani. Then later on they cash wish for their place. You know how many abortion our guys don't do for a year? Because say they don't that matter they work, they still a friend Daki. That belly when they carry, they don't feel liver. Sometimes they will do abortion, reach about 7 times abortion for Europe here before they settle down. And after they settle down, they don't get picking. Then you're saying, I hope the problem there. You know what thing about the Europe side? Because April, I would like to find your number. I will call you 1-to-1. You understand? Yes, I will call you 1-to-1. You understand, man? Let me make you understand, April. A more you have no wa be a do state man. I will man ya wa ba right from the bed. There is no boy no la ja where we are do state in where who want to mark be work. We our eye the red. We dey very radical. You understand? So any person at time well, April, you get wetin you want make you fight for him, you want just come out through you. Just calm down. I just tell you. Me, I born and brought up in Slope. Everybody knows. You understand? We will talk and we be family. To Selu. You understand, man? If I just forget all those boys when they papa forget, just sit down one day and they think what I just tell you so. You understand me so? Okay. Oh, Naima. All those things when I come say, Oshomole, yeah, our palace give a rank. Then no, you understand me? So near those people, when they talk together, they go know the kind of person where you be. Then you will know the kind of person where they be. They know where they go use you. Now the place where they want to use you, now you want to bring changes. Now where they use you now you want to bring changes. Not be by violence. And you they use violence, you don't feel come where the thing they happen. You understand? Me no fit just say what you do no good or it get many things when you good, get many things when you did wrong. Can I tell you, may I shock you for one thing? I think they say Obaseki come Italy. Yes, Obaseki come Italy. No any of the Europe people when know what your Obaseki can do. No person when go embassy for Italy when Italian embassy go even tell her the truth when you know say you be a toasted man. We are just the top, but the truth is still one place hide. You understand? If Obaseki come because of our guests, all these prostitution guests, all this slave trade, when our sisters, our women when they Europe, our guests they do, one day, I don't lie you, una go see and you know say even the one way marry Igbo when they do that thing, we all will know now. You see, say me when they talk, so I quiet. You not see me once. No, we reach about 3,000 for Europe here. Everything both in a picture. Now one day we will find out for all different countries. I have a kiss, I have a wife, everything's well done with me. I go find out. The first thing, if I enter the country, I go to the state. When I don't find everything about you, I will go to the station and make sure before I leave the country I stay, I will go to the national station in Spain. I will make the report. Then I will go ahead that I'm living here because of this and because of people of my country. It's not because of the origin of Europeans. Then I will come to your country in your state now. I want to tell you about law now because now they get man. I will go to the police station with your picture for social media and your name. I will call people. They will tell me your really name and your picture. They will send it to me. I will come your state and make that the same report. You will see I will get you. And everything you have been saying in social media, everything will be art. And I said we'll carry this one, we'll kill her. Una go bring all because all of una when they social media, una know who get guess. All of una know who get guess. All of una knows who they cheat government for Europe here. Now so I want to catch all of una one by one. That town I know say many people they hide. When you be say yes, then now their body then the black day from their mind. You see, huh? You see, we know they talk. The really people wanna not be we be Morocco burgers. We are not Libya burgers. Libya. 95 I was in Libya. I left Libya 95 I was in Libya. I left Libya 99 to 2000. I come back to Morocco. I spent 2 years for Morocco. Now, if you hear Morocco, now we be Morocco burgers. So, nothing don't happen for Libya. All these things, we just look and not just little things, man. Person they die, person. We know they look those ones. You understand? Because all the mistakes start from una. You carry your brother, I carry and follow Libya. You, how many people they die for Libya when we say, nah, madam, I carry them. When people say they die, you not go help the family again. They die, you not control the family again, you not call them again. They die, nothing you go to assist the family again. And if they enter, they'll come pay you billions of dollars. Then you the vex say, oh Obaseki, the governor, come. Say you want to do something of relationship of deportation. Come on. Who get resident for Italy when not get problem, then they deport them. You know if who get resident when they do in home, then they deport them. Can I make you people understand one thing? When me enter Europe, my professional job, I use and work from Nigeria. I was a spray painter in Nigeria. I work in Leventis, I still have my workshop in outside. I work with different group. And I do outside work for Nigeria with my professional job. When I left Nigeria to Niger, I work in Niger for 2 weeks with my professional work. I want to tell you people where there's a mistake, both of you people when they call now mama. Or the rest people when they say money mistro, when I carry money put for shoulder, take the spray. Because now not get handwork. If you have handwork, you could have made things of your handwork in Nigeria. You could have know the game, you could have get or the assistant that will come out from people that work under you. You understand? For Libya, I was operating 3 workshops. Zeniti, I was operating workshop. Homies, I was operating workshop. Zuhara in Tripoli, I was operating workshop. We are 4 in number. We run up and down. I spray motor till 3 o'clock in the night in Tripoli. You understand me? So anywhere when they kill una people, now some character when they come out for una people before the country start to take action for una people. The secret now I just tell una today. Because you know why they bring my chaplets? Many of una they stupid. If now see this cap now say na Muslim man. Now feel call that name. But if you go Israel, you'll see all Christians they use this cap. Because una they very tonteria as Spanish talk. You understand? So waiting I'll try to tell now that human trafficking you have to stop. Time is coming. You know there is favor now for we all. Now from next year no favor again because if I be a police or my daughter or my son be a police, I will look for any way to assist you to have a rank. And so far I know that it's a true way. I just they make una they understand now. Then that true way, what I go do? Every fake this one they do, I will look at and know the way to kidnap every one of you. To get you all arrested by the police. So everybody have to take care. That social media one they come at anyhow. Make una remember say it don't reach one now shut up on a mouth. If you want make something go house. Now here they look YouTube. Even white one a day now I don't see white people they do marry they spray money like that. Or they'll just come and they do birthday, put money load and reach like this. Una reach to prison. Yes, so if they look for Nigeria to prison, not be the one we carry cutlass stab people for Italy only. Those one. They go give them life imprisonment. You get the one where you go 6 years in jail. Those one where they hold money, una they spray money, that is money abuse for all the work and foreign currencies. You understand? The third or the second currencies in the world, that is dollar. There is something in America. Oh, I talk. When any person face una now, I'm going to face you all with different things. You understand? So make una just leave Obaseki. What you not supposed to do follow Obaseki? If you not get sense, who dey here? You dey carry more to go out, put some clothes, go governor office near there. Invite poor people, share for them. He go there here, not be say person tell him. He will not be seeing the assistance of his people in outside country. The companies make people they work. If you don't have 5 couple now you they sing for inside. You dey there they work. No, you dey here. Now assessment to your local government and to the state when you dey live. Then waiting again. Make Obaseki know one thing. When it did not because let me make you know. Like say na me be a pa Clemente Ranomigo. Only is to new Obaseki na advising. It's not. We don't need new machine in Nigeria to work in Edo State. We need second hand because like present now. Since over 10 years, or 8 years, there is a crisis in Greece, in Spain, in Italy. So all the machines they are very cheap. Buy second hand, Portugal. So there are many things I can't say here. I cannot say that. I cannot make that comment more than there. It's my own. That is my own secret of doing. You understand? So tomorrow, my brother, not be so now constant same person like hey, see this person. Yeah, when I don't know the way they no use channel like this tongue, your word, your advice. You understand? Oh, no, they behave like that. I they shame. Why be say if they just say prostitution must stop? Believe people will tell Europe or job like dog will not eat is 3 weeks. Ah, when they happy, sister one stop work, a brother go they happy. And they say many of our boys when they cost for inside now. Now the money you take enter house, I know. Now many of us take enter house. But the nyash when they bring egg, that nyash is still they pay fowl. Even though the fowl no say yeah, he never sacrifice. But the owner of fowl supposed say, fowl don't do. Bini Ishan. If you not say go Bini Ishan when you grow for Bini, when you don't take Kaduro for Bini for long now, that one go say in Bini because Bini na Ishan, and they say. No be so now. May we change things. All those things, you know, they on board at all. Not be many of our sisters when they come out for social media and they talk. You go they use hand, they slap toto. Like people when do backward for Bini. Use 2 hands. And this my critical, now they make money. Even though the one we day here, no even love you. My sister, the one we day has would love you. Now they like Lovette. Lovette, I don't watch in program. I call her, if he watch this thing, I call her one day. He said, I don't know who I'm calling. That's why I don't carry phone. Then he can't later carry my phone. I can't tell her, say, me know the chat. I just like the way they talk for one. You get one channel, get word with. There's some comment he makes once at a time. So, man, I not use problem. Take the rock problem. Now, fuel and fuel and this thing now they mix together kerosene. How this one we talk here? We all know the secret. Oh, how many of you feel defend yourself for where you body? Not beside house. Where you feel defend yourself, talk with you. They push shit for there so that tomorrow you no fit enter there. Forget oh. I just want to use the opportunity. All those people when you write recipes for Obaseki, make those people, make them pray to God, make God forgive them. And from today, may not change your mind. Anything you want to do, you dey carry motor go, put some loaf, Ghana must go. No share for public, for government gate, for governor gate. Go there, call people, begin sharing. The old people they cost ghost load there, we crack there, and people in adult people just come from Europe, you can't share clothes here. Yes. The other one go do one. The other one go they do one. You see say they don't say these people when they outside country. They get word. One day when make meet say, oh yeah, we'll go see our governor. You get what you want to discuss. Now I want to know official face to face. After I talk, give another letter with phone. We want me we sing talk as father, as son, or brother and brother, or sister and brother. This is a way to change things. Of that human traffic, one they talk, say yes, this one, it need to stop. It need to stop. May we not let the end be this December. 2018, my sister, I tell you, we are like a lie with the name of God Almighty. If I see any of you that be among of feet, me myself, I will bring you out. I will bring you out. Then you people should know things have changed now. I will bring you out, and there are many things I have to use to tie you down. You understand? The first thing, I will make them to understand the place you are coming from in your country, that the Lord is against it. Your state, the Lord is against it. Even this place, the Lord is against it. The UN Lord is against it. So there is no matter whatever anything you can. I know how to deal with you. So let's stop that. You all have to stop that. Me, I never do that one, but I'm leaving. My wife is leaving. We are leaving. We are walking. Okay, can I tell you one thing? You are in Europe. Look for a work to learn. Mostly the men that hope for a man. Okbia. No more that you go. When we talk, I guess his name. I guess his name. Oh, how will cheer born on my way? Who just cheer born? We that way you are a lazy man. Because you're a lazy man. Let work. I have my professional work in Nigeria. I work under Leventis. I work in workshop. I work in different countries in Africa country. I come here. The first work I work without document is my professional work for 8 months. Then after then I went to a Kuso. You know where when they say Kuso, the place that you can learn a job. I learn Avani. That's the how to set us, how to plaster us, how to fix ties. I can do everything. My house here, and the one I have my whole house here, and the one that fix the ties for renovation. I learn water pump, water board, how to fix tap in house. Can't how many professionals I'm telling you now. Then now where am I? I'm working underworld. Where now? That is Pentora Industrial. A place you can spray. I can walk in a place you can spray a flight in anything, a train, in anything concern, industrial painting. I do everything. So there is no place I will travel. Any country I travel into today, tomorrow, I must surely be. After 3 days, I must surely be one of the workers in that country. After 3 days, so far my document is correct. So look at, if you are receiving, your wife is receiving. My children. The day that I'm in night duty, I take my children to the school and I bring them back. I bath them in the morning to assist my wife. You understand? But the day I be morning duty, my wife do, and I pay for a girl that bring my children from school. Before my wife came from work, I pay for a woman, a white woman that work for me. I'm living here, your brother. I pay for a white woman that responsible and take care of my children, bring them from school. I'm not different from you. I'm free. So a police cannot ring in my house. I will be dirty. I open. I tell them, come in, sit down. If they want to ask any question in Domota, I will say no. Enter house, sit down, because I know there is no cockroach in my cupboard. So, brother and sister, let us change our attitude, our manner, our human behaviors, knowledge. You understand? It's not by power or by violence. You understand? So, a paranomigo, I would like to talk to you one-to-one in phone, but till I get your number. So you are all blessed. Edo people, Ishan, and all Nigeria citizens, you are all blessed. I know the year 2018 is going to be a grateful year to every one of us. And these few months, these few weeks that just remain from this year, rejoicing we end it. We are going to end it by rejoicing, happiness, and that happiness will continue by year 2018. You are all blessed in the name of Jesus. I cover every one of you with the blood of Jesus. We will never find a tears. We will never cry for our people. Our people will not cry for us. Mostly we in the travel. Let's change our mind. Let's change our human behavior. Let's change our doing. You understand? Can I show you one thing? A snail. Egile. Mami egile arugun gan. Anyone yakwitan. It's not everything. I think anyone here where I force egile you era. But Marie de begima. Egile mara mwere. Mami odoni saini. Bo sunke odono ya la to odoni saini. Mai je olote. Mai ya sufu jokere. Mai di olote ni. Mai ge afetu we o. Then mai di igbowe. My dear, you are na ya na shuke kere we egile wa wa da na egile iladia umo you na wa shuke usamejo wa onye here wa enwa na no. So I greet you all. Oh make ina we iri abemiku emenita, my sister, my brother, just forgive me. I'm sorry, but the real truth that human trading, let it stop. I don't want to hear any of those people name over that trading. Let it be a thing that will be a parable that those people have done this thing, they stop it at the year 2017. That is her. Anyone who are free here, okay, Larry, if free way. Anything where ya samosa dige. Understanding? His sister, okay. Given no reko ya so abon ekem. Enu tu wa mo be nu da bia ni. Unu we na bia self. O me. O we na bia. Iso enetike has egu. Anything who before you know 5 years you go no keke we o wa fi opa. Who can here here? That is one thing, my sister. So wala wa egwe so oba top every money I think me because and there's nothing you are doing today so trickful or so innocent to our father. That is one thing you people should still know. Our Omo Noba of Benin, AY the second, Ogidiga of Benin, Ayoko na Yugbo himself. Or talk where. You understand? There is nothing because let me make you understand. Eroma no winner we see. No yes we see. Or lele ma yakia. Awok poma no read that day ici where Iama went out tota or lele yakia ne. Or a tota yowa. Anything we ita any pun we take guanu or a demini mata no do no. So why ko amwe ye me guan? You understand me? Or wa guana do where e baba talk pe. Or e nu tie do no? E dem mata no. That is one thing you people should be reasoning, my dear brother sister. Okay, ciao.